For a long time, I made the mistake of self-flagellation with my own writing. I wasn't able to establish a really good consistent habit, and I think that's something that a lot of writers struggle with. And one of the things that we see as a industry standard is kind of the being able to write 1,000 words a day, because if you can do that, it means that in 90 days you could have a traditionally published, not necessarily be traditionally published, but have the kind of industry standard for a traditionally published fantasy novel in the YA genre. And it means that you can really be up there with the top creators, because that is the industry standard for writing productivity, traditional and self-published authors, with self-published authors writing a lot more typically than just 1,000 words a day. So if you're able to write 1,000 words a day, be consistent, build a writing habit that you really are able to enjoy, that I think means that you're going to be able to surpass a lot of other creatives and writers in your space. So at that point, I went ahead and I was like, this is something that I think a lot of writers should be taking advantage of. We can do this, and it's possible if we're able to apply productivity tips and implement techniques to make ourselves more productive writers, and to achieve that 1,000 words a day easily, effortlessly, and more enjoyably, so we can write more books and have just a much larger backlist in the future. And so I went ahead and built a 7-day email course that is completely free. It sends you an email a day that is designed to teach you how to write more consistently, write 1,000 words a day, and really enjoy the process. So if that sounds interesting in any way, the course is down in the link in the description below. I'd be so glad if you would join me, and if not, I wish you the best of luck with your writing. Blessings.